morning. I'm calling to arrange the delivery of the goods you ordered.
Good morning. Yes, when will the goods be delivered?
The goods will be shipped tomorrow and are expected to arrive within 3 days.
That sounds good. Which shipping service will you use?
We will use a standard courier service with tracking information.
Great. Please make sure the items are packed securely.
Of course, we will ensure the goods are well packed and safe during delivery.
Thank you. I look forward to receiving the goods.
You are welcome. Please contact if you need further assistance.